Yes, students, shall we try the next one? All of you all? Can you all see the screen? All of you all, can you all see the screen? Shall we try the next question? This one. Completed, yeah, complete till here. Complete. I'll show this calculation part. Yes, students, done? All of you all completed till here? Okay, this tell me this calculation part. What is root 3 a plus b into a minus b? Yes, unmute and answer. What do you get for this? What is a square minus b? 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. If I reduce, I get 10, right? Yeah, multiply that root 3 inside the bracket. What do you get? Root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus. Very quick, simple question. See, this root 3 is getting multiplied, right? So what do you get? 3 plus root. So 10 into what is root 3 value? 1 point. Yeah, this is easy to calculate. 10 into what is 3 plus 1.732? 4.732. How much is 10 into 4.732? When you multiply, you get 47.32 meters down. Okay. So we need to find AB. Keep AB as it is. Substitute X. From first equation, substitute X. You'll directly get AB answer. Okay, next one. See, be quick. You have to solve the 5 questions. Okay, this 27th, I want you all to try, students. Draw a diagram. Try the 27th one. Fine. 27, 28. Will you all try 27, 28? Can you see two triangles are given? Yeah. So 27, 28, 29, all these are similar questions. They have already given the values. You have to just take two triangles and start solving it. That's it. And find the distance between the ship is what they have asked. Try this. If you're not getting, I'll explain. 27, 28, and 29. Okay. 30th question. From 30th onwards, we have two triangles, left hand side and right hand side, but concept is same. Tell me which triangle you have to take. First, take any one triangle, students. In triangle, look at the 30th question. All of you unmute and answer. Adia, Naomi, Joanna, Tanishka. Okay, Tanishka is not there. These students unmute and answer. 30th question. In triangle, yeah, tell me any one triangle. We have two triangles. Which one? A, ABD. In triangle ABD, tell me tan 45 is equals to AD divided by BD. What is tan 45? 1 is equals to what is AD divided by X. First equation. Tell me the second equation. So what's the value of X, students? What's the value of X? X is equal to, we'll keep it as it is. First equation. Equation 1. Okay, what do we need to find here? Tell me what we need to find. Find the width of the, find. So an aeroplane of altitude 250 is observed. Imagine aeroplane is at point A. I'll explain the diagram. Aeroplane is at point A. The angle of depression of the two boats. There are two boats at B and C. So what is the distance between two boats? Isn't it BC? They are opposite side of a river. So which one is the river here, students? This entire thing you have to consider it as river. Okay, opposite sides of the river. Find the width of the river. You have to find the distance between X and Y. Okay, tell me the second triangle. In triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, tan 60 is equals to, what is opposite? AD divided by DC. What is tan 60? Root 3 is equals to, yes, unmute students, divided by Y. What is Y? 250 by root 3. If you want to find the entire thing, what are the two things we need to find? Width of river. What is width of river, students? What is width of river? BD plus X plus Y. So you have to add both. What is X and what is Y? X is 250 plus what is Y? 3 divided by 3. Okay. So take LCM. If you take LCM, what you get? See, before that, this Y, can I rationalize this Y? If you rationalize, what you get? 250 into root 3 divided by, yes. No, root 3 into root 3. What is root 3 into root 3? Not 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, right? Okay. Take y as this value, students. Look, I'll replace y, root 3 divided by 3. Yeah, that's it. You'll get the answer. Just solve this. Complete it. Which one, Mariana? Okay, read the question, students. Before just solving, just copying, read the question. Read the question, Mariana. What is given? No, no. From the first line you read. Okay, aeroplane. First, stop there. An aeroplane of altitude 250 meters. So where is aeroplane? At point A or D? Where is the aeroplane? Will it be on the ground or on the in the sky? A, right? 250 meters above. So aeroplane is at 250 meters above. This is aeroplane. All of you look at the screen, students. Stop writing. If you're getting confused, stop writing. Look here, aeroplane. Then there are two people. Read the next one, Mariana. Read. Of two boats. What do you mean by angle of depression of two boats? From aeroplane, if you see, there are two boats. Where are the two boats? B and C are two boats, right? This is boat 1 and this is boat 2. So that angle of depression, we can take it as angle of elevation. So from aeroplane, you see the boat, it is angle of depression. From boat, if you see the aeroplane, it is angle of elevation. Both the angles are same. On the same side or opposite side of river, what is given here? So even if diagram is not given, you should be able to draw like this, students. Opposite side. Is it clear, all of you all? Did you understand this concept? Unmute. Unmute. Yes. Okay. Opposite side. When opposite is given, right angle will be on the opposite sides. Then 45 degree, 60 degree. One is 45, 60. Find the width of the river. So boat is on B and B2, B and C. That will be the distance, width of river. Now, Mariana, you tell me what is your doubt? Width is the distance. Okay. So boat. Oh, this one, width of river. That is what they've asked there, right? The width of river. Now is it clear? So width of river will be x plus y, students. X plus y at depth. 31, 32. Okay. 33, 34 is same. 31, 33 and 34. Complete this. Lemula, how many times you exit and you join Lemula? How will you understand? Huh? You should respond. You should tell me, right? Say, I didn't see you in the meeting after break and now you have joined. Which question are we solving? Did you understand? You're simply attending, taking the notes and leaving. What did you understand in this 30th question? Tell me what you understood, Lemula. Instead of wasting time, you can at least attend science, right? But you're not responding. Okay, tell me what you understood. 30th question. Hmm. No, you didn't understand, Lemula. It is clear. You didn't understand. Okay, just copy. What to do? Just sit and copy. At least, do you know triangles are on the same side or opposite side? Where are the triangles, Lemula? Same side or opposite side? Hmm. So opposite sides. Can you see the concept is same? Tan 45, tan 60. Hmm. Forget about that concept. When it is opposite, apply the same thing and do it. X plus y. Okay, calculate this, students. Y is equals to, when you take LCM, what do you get? 250 into 3 plus, excuse me. 750 plus, see this is lengthy calculation, completed 250 into 1.732. Okay, this calculation you'll do it, students. I'll just skip this. Wait, let me give the answer. Yeah, don't use calculator. Try it later. 250 into 1.732. 1.732. 433. Can you see you get a whole number 433? So 433 plus 750. 433 plus 750. You get 1183 divided by 3. 395 is the answer. Take down this, calculate later. 395 meters. Mariana, check the answer in textbook. Is it 395 or 396? Oh, 394, 395. Round it off to 395. I mean, not round it off. Plus minus in decimal, we would have gone wrong, students. I can use calculator. If you do it directly, you'll get 394. Even 395, you'll get marks. See, if you do it exactly, you'll get 394.1, 1 or zero point 0.4. How do you round it off? After decimal, we have 4. If you have 4, should I write 394 or 395? No, no, no. What did I tell Lemuel? If it is 4, anything equal to 5 and more than 5 should convert, right? If it is 5 or more than 5, it would have been 390. See, actually in calculator, you're getting it as what's the answer? Exact answer we're getting, Mariana. 394.3. 394.3 is what we get. Bit lengthy, try it later. You can calculate 394.3. 3 is lesser than 5. Therefore, this will remain as it is. 394 meters is the answer. X plus Y. Width of river is X plus Y. Don't write X plus Y, later convert it into width of river. Then Adya Ivania, did you all understand? Completed? Naomi, what is Naomi? Naomi left the meeting. Joanna, what about Joanna? Okay. See, just write, students. At least whatever I'm doing, make a note of it. You don't have to revise later. Once you write it, do it on your own. You'll be able to solve. Simple questions. See, even this question, angle of elevation is given or angle of depression? What is given? All of you will unmute and answer, students. What is this 45 degrees? Is it angle of elevation or depression? If the angle is given top, it is angle of depression, right? So what will you? Where will you take this 45 as? Where will you take? You can write it as angle of elevation. A. What about 38? Where can you write 38? Which angle? DB, 38 degrees. Okay. And what did I tell you? If 38 is given, do we have the value with us? 38, I mean in table? No, right? See, this is important. 2023, they have given this question. All of you will read the question once. From the top of a tower 100 meters high, a man observes the angle of depression. So where is the man, students? Where is man? Is he at point D or C? Where is man standing? D. Yeah, top of the tower. Look at the word top. From top of tower, he observes two ships. What are the two ships here? A and B. on opposite side of a tower 45 degree and 38 degree respectively if the foot of the tower and ship are in the same horizontal, which means A and B are on the same line, A and B. Find the distance between the two ships A and B. So how do you find the distance between two ships, students? If you want to find the distance between two ships, which one you have to find? AC and B, right? Can you all try this now? Will you all try this? See, 30th also, 34th is also same question, simple. Two triangles are given on opposite. 33rd is also easy. 33rd, 32, 31, 30, all these are easy questions. Okay, try this question, all of you. Try at least one. Take down two, separate into two triangles. Tan 38. Check tan 38 in the table. Naomi, can you answer this? Naomi and Lemula, what are the two triangles we have, students? Yes. Naomi, when you answer, Naomi, unmute and answer. Yeah, what are you doing, Naomi? Unmute and tell me, Naomi. AC, D or B? ACB is a straight line. Is it a triangle? ACB? D. That's what I'm asking. D or B? D, right? Ah, ACD. What you have to do in triangle ACD? Tell me. Whatever you're answering is right. Tan 45 is equals to AC. Next, 100 by. Not X. Take it as AC. They haven't given X or Y, right? Yeah, in the diagram, you can take X or Y. You can just write which sum. We are solving the 31st, right? 31st or which one? Yeah, 31st question. So Naomi, you can take it as X or Y. Anything is fine. Okay, so let me keep it AC. AC is equals to 100 meters. Next, Lemula, tell me the other triangle. Unmute Lemula, unmute the call and answer. Other triangle. No, no, tell me the other triangle. Triangle DCB. Tan 38 is equals to 100 by CB. Fine. All of you all stop writing and concentrate, your students. This is what I have told you all. Stop writing. Look at the screen, all of you all. In triangle DCB, what we write? Tan 38 is equals to 100 by CB. If you want to find CB, 100 divided by 100 divided by what? Yeah. Look at tan 38 value. Tell me what is tan 38? 7813. So what are we divide? Are we multiplying with lemula? Are we dividing it with decimal or multiplying? Are we dividing or multiplying? Dividing. All of you all remember this concept? 2 days back I taught you all. See, 5.23 or 5 into 23, which is easy to solve, students. When you multiply or divide, when you multiply it's easy. When you divide it's very tough, decimal. When you multiply it's very simple, right? So here the calculation will be tough or easy to solve. It will be tough because we are dividing it. Therefore, we don't use tan 38 here. We don't use tan. Lemula, remember this concept. Whenever we divide, we don't use tan. Instead of tan, what do we use? What's the other one? What is the value we use, students? Instead of tan, we use no, 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 no. Complementary. We directly write. We take cot. You take cot. Yeah. Tell me cot. Instead of tan, you take cot 38 degree. What is cot formula? What? Yeah. Base by perpendicular. What is base? BC by, yeah, CB by 100. Now, if you want to find BC, are we multiplying or dividing it? Multiplying, right? So calculation becomes easy. Check your table. This one textbook. Have they given cot value? There's no cot, right? So what do we do? If there is no cot, we have to use complementary. What is complementary of cot? Tan minus 38 into 100. So tan 98 minus 38, 20, 52 or 62? 52 degrees. So here you can directly write, students. You don't have to show the calculation. Tan 38 you can write it as cot 38. You can write it as tan 52 degrees into 100. Ivania, Adia, is it clear? Mariana, Joanna. Okay, Mariana is there. See, this is the calculation I was talking about. Whenever we divide, you get. I mean, it takes a lot of time to calculate. So better go with cot, students. Last question. Last one. Cot 38. What is tan 52? Tell me the value of tan 52. See, it is so simple to calculate. 2799. What is 100 into 1.2799? 127. 127.99 meters. So what do we need to find here, students? Find the distance between A and B. So what I have to write here? Distance between A and B is equals to AC plus, what is AC? 100. 100 plus 99. So that is 227.99. How do I round it off? After decimal we have 9. So the previous number would be 228. Is it clear? When the triangle is on the opposite side, how to calculate? Mostly they'll ask you only base, students. Remember, whenever the triangle is in opposite direction, they will 100% ask this distance. Names can be different. Distance between A, B, width of the river or width of the road. Names can be different. Concept is same. Just find the base for both, add them. Okay, complete this. That's it. I'll give 3-4 questions for homework. Other questions you can try whenever we do test. I'll give these questions for test. See, all these are similar questions. Even 32 is similar. To look at the stuff, we have two triangles. If you apply the same concept, you'll get the answer. Complete. So evening no class. I'll conduct tomorrow. And when you have to submit the project? Monday, right? See, those who have to submit project. Okay, first complete this, students. Complete and let me know. Complete this. Yes, Mariana, you told. Okay, but we were not able to start that. We didn't even start that. What were you doing when ma'am taught? Did you understand those topics? Ma'am wasn't. See, and the same time we have to tell right now. If you're not answering, I call out your name and ask, right, Mariana? Huh? If you don't send homework, I tell your parents. The same way, if you're not able to understand, then and there you have to ask your teacher. You have to tell her to explain properly, or at least to slow down. Why nobody asks in your class? Just sit and copy. Just because I'll attend tuition, nobody will concentrate. Just sitting and copying the values. Sit and copy. You should tell the teacher to slow down. See, if you don't understand, fine, students. At least this one. What is that? They should give time. Back to back, if they conduct internals, we have so many questions. Internals, project. Okay. See, before this, I didn't skip any questions today because all these were important. Everything was different question. Whatever we did, everything was different. This one, you all can try this. I'll skip. You all can try because it's going to be the same one, right? Two triangles are given. Find. By now, we have solved at least how many? 20, more than 20 questions. You got used to this, right? So when to apply, I mean, what kind of triangles will be given? When to apply tan, cot. We rarely use sine and cos. Most of the questions are tan. Tan 30, tan 45, tan 60. All of you are completed? Done with this? 228 meters? Okay. Um, what time will you all attend tomorrow? Tomorrow, mm, 4 o'clock students. I'll conduct class at 4 o'clock, 4 to 6:30 or 4 to 6. Is it clear, all of you all? Tomorrow is Saturday. Saturday, 4 o'clock. Log in at 4. Okay. So Adya and Ivania can leave. Adya, Ivania, log in at 4 o'clock tomorrow. You all can leave, students. Yes. Bye. You all can leave. Mariana, Joanna, what about the second topic? Lemula, these four students, another 2 minutes, students. Another 2 minutes. What about the project? Second topic? See, I'll do one thing. Today, is it possible to attend at 6 o'clock? 6 or 6:30? For half an hour, I'll explain you what to do. For topic 2. Will you all attend? If not, it's going to be tough, students. Independence Day, I want to enjoy. If you'll see all that, Monday, you all will struggle. And this is final exam project. Okay. So, what time you'll have to attend today? What time can you attend? Yeah, 6 to 6:30 or 6:45. Maximum half an hour to 45 minutes. I won't teach anything. Okay, I won't teach anything. I'll tell you how to write topic 2. Naomi, will you tell Tanishka to attend? Tanishka and Diyashri? Yeah, and Joanna, can you tell Cherisha to attend? Oh, she doesn't have project. Okay. Yeah, Joanna, you tell, inform Cherisha, Joanna. Okay. Is it clear? Mariana, Joanna, Lemila, Naomi. Yes, you all can leave, students. Log in at 6 o'clock. I'll tell you how to find. Write topic 2. Within 2 days, you can complete. Okay, that's it for today. You all can leave.